I love the zoo. I love the zoo.
I am glad you like it here. I am glad you like it here.
Can we see lions first? Can we see lions first?
Yes, the lions are this way. Yes, the lions are this way.
Wow! The lion is big. Wow! The lion is big.
Yes, lions are very big cats. Yes, lions are very big cats.
Is he the king? Is he the king?
Yes, they call the lion the king of animals. Yes, they call the lion the king of animals.
What do lions eat? What do lions eat?
Lions eat meat. They eat other animals. Lions eat meat. They eat other animals.
Can we see monkeys now? Can we see monkeys now?
Yes, the monkeys are over there. Yes, the monkeys are over there.
Look! The monkey is funny. Look! The monkey is funny.
Yes, monkeys are very funny animals. Yes, monkeys are very funny animals.
He looks like me. He looks like me.
Yes, monkeys look a bit like people. Yes, monkeys look a bit like people.
I am thirsty, Dad. I am thirsty, Dad.
I have water in my bag. I have water in my bag.
Thank you for the water. Thank you for the water.
You are welcome. Are you hungry too? You are welcome. Are you hungry too?
Yes, I am a bit hungry. Yes, I am a bit hungry.
We can eat some sandwiches. We can eat some sandwiches.
I want to see elephants. I want to see elephants.
Okay, let's go see the elephants next. Okay, let's go see the elephants next.
The elephant is so big. The elephant is so big.
Yes, elephants are the biggest land animals. Yes, elephants are the biggest land animals.
Can I feed the elephant? Can I feed the elephant?
No, we cannot feed the zoo animals. No, we cannot feed the zoo animals.
This is the best day. This is the best day.
I am happy you are having fun. I am happy you are having fun.
Dad, I see many people here. Dad, I see many people here.
Yes, the supermarket is busy today. Yes, the supermarket is busy today.
Can I push the cart? Can I push the cart?
Yes, but push it slowly. Yes, but push it slowly.
What food do we need? What food do we need?
We need vegetables and fruit. We need vegetables and fruit.
I like carrots. I like carrots.
Good. Let's get some carrots. Good. Let's get some carrots.
Can you reach them? Can you reach them?
No, they are too high. Can you help me? No, they are too high. Can you help me?
Here are the carrots. Here are the carrots.
Thank you. Now, we need tomatoes. Thank you. Now we need tomatoes.
The tomatoes are red. The tomatoes are red.
Yes, red means they are ripe. Yes, red means they are ripe.
Can we get some bananas? Can we get some bananas?
Yes, bananas are good for you. Yes, bananas are good for you.
I can count them. 1, 2, 3. I can count them. 1, 2, 3.
Very good counting. Very good counting.
Dad, I am thirsty. Dad, I am thirsty.
We can buy some water. We can buy some water.
Can I carry the water? Can I carry the water?
This bottle is small. You can carry it. This bottle is small. You can carry it.
Do we need bread? Do we need bread?
Yes, we need bread for breakfast. Yes, we need bread for breakfast.
I like soft bread. I like soft bread.
Here is some soft bread. Feel it. Here is some soft bread. Feel it.
It feels nice. It feels nice.
Now we need to pay. Now we need to pay.
Can I help put food in bags? Can I help put food in bags?
Yes, you can help me pack the bags. Yes, you can help me pack the bags.
Look at all the rides. Look at all the rides.
Yes, there are many fun rides here. Yes, there are many fun rides here.
Can I go on that big one? Can I go on that big one?
No, you are too small for that ride. No, you are too small for that ride.
What can I go on? What can I go on?
You can go on the small rides. You can go on the small rides.
Can we go on the carousel? Can we go on the carousel?
Yes, the carousel is good for you. Yes, the carousel is good for you.
I want the blue horse. I want the blue horse.
Okay, you can sit on the blue horse. Okay, you can sit on the blue horse.
This is fun, Dad. This is fun, Dad.
I am happy you like it. I am happy you like it.
Can we eat some candy? Can we eat some candy?
We can have a small candy after lunch. We can have a small candy after lunch.
I want to go on that train. I want to go on that train.
Okay, the train ride is next. Okay, the train ride is next.
The train goes fast. The train goes fast.
Not too fast. It is a safe ride. Not too fast. It is a safe ride.
I can see the whole park. I can see the whole park.
Yes, you can see everything from here. Yes, you can see everything from here.
Dad, I am tired. Dad, I am tired.
We can sit and rest for a while. We can sit and rest for a while.
Can we have ice cream? Can we have ice cream?
Yes, we can have ice cream now. Yes, we can have ice cream now.
I want a big ice cream. I want a big ice cream.
You can have a small ice cream. You can have a small ice cream.
Thank you for bringing me here. Thank you for bringing me here.
You are welcome. I like to see you happy. You are welcome. I like to see you happy.
This is the best day ever. This is the best day ever.
I am glad you are having a good time. I am glad you are having a good time.